I'm Mary Ritchie, and I'm here with Brian and James at Edufii. And James is about to show me some of the mobile app interface of Edufii. I love Edufii. I've got to admit that. It's sort of the training spaces allow for you to do so much that save time. I mean, I was editing video. I was drawing lines on a few different swing platforms, still do actually, but to be able to store everything in one location, I think that's pretty powerful. So if you'll kind of run us through it, I sure would appreciate that.
So this is my training space here, where you go down, these are all the different things I'm working on. Go down into my golf training space. You can see start out.
So those are all the videos that have been uploaded by your golf coach, Spencer, right?
Right. So here we start off with my goals, just what I'm trying to accomplish. For me, it's just to become a casual golfer and be able to play the game effectively. And here's where I start working with Spencer. He's recording my first swing, undoctored, both down the line, so you can see the tags here of the different angles. So you got the down the line swing and front on swing. As we go into the video, you can either play it just straight from the feed, or come in here, and you'll actually be able to see the comments that he leaves. So
this little bubble here on the corner is sort of a notification that he's made a comment, is that right?
Right, so you can see there's one comment in there, just from Spencer. And doubling back here.
Let me just ask you a question. Could you back up 1 second?
Yeah.
Back to that. Now at the very top, a minute ago, we noticed all those little icons at the top. So he made a comment on a video that he created during your lesson. Now all these different things, it looks like there's a notepad, so you could make another comment there. You could take a picture maybe, and it sort of follows that thread, is that right?
Right, so if you want to leave any type of comment, you can either leave a text, video, picture, or audio post, or upload something from your phone there, and leave it as a comment for a video. If you want to leave something in the training space, all you have to do is do a long hold, and you have those same options that you can use and actually capture into your training space.
I love that. So it stores everything all in the same place. And then tell us a little bit about how the feed works.
Yeah, so
I sort of think about it kind of like Facebook, right?
That's a good way to put it. Pretty much the feed is all time-stamped and tagged, so it goes in a chronological order. So these are the latest videos that I have, and at the end of Spencer working with my swing, we have me talking about the key things that I remember from the lesson and the things that he wants me to remember specifically. That's the last thing in the video.
Great. And this little thing over here, that's a search bar, it looks like.
Yep. Search option to be able to view all the different tags that you put in the video. So say you're looking for a specific type of swing that you're working on, you'll be able to go in and just search for down the line swing, and the one video of that angle will show up. So you'll be able to compare videos side by side.
Very cool.
And if you want to check anything that's going through your training spaces that you're a part of, so these are all the other people I'm working with. And anything
who have access to what you're doing?
Right, and I have access to what they're working on in their spaces.
Yeah, I'll be down here.
And if we go to this side, you'll be able to see a feed of just anything that I'm a part of, all in one space.
Chronologically oriented, right? So with the latest stuff at the very top.
Exactly.
I love it. I love it. And so let me ask you about how all this stuff is stored. So say I'm somebody who uses my iPhone, my laptop, and my computer, and my iPad. Is it all going to be stored in the same place? I've noticed with some other applications, you know, it's a different server for the iPad, it's a different server for the laptop, and a different one for the iPhone, and that gets on my nerves.
Right, everything's cloud-based, so one of the key features of this is one, to eliminate the word send. You never have to take this video and push it somewhere else. All you have to do is save it, it'll end up in the cloud, and you'll be able to access it from your iPhone, iPad, or web.
Great. Well, that's a pretty quick rundown of Edufii here at the 2014 PGA show on the very last day.